I'm ever falling, need somebody I could fall on. I don't want for nothing, he gon' help me get my ball on. Take me round the world until the morning spinning all on. And I just need a ride of it. Beat the pussy, fall asleep inside of it. Used to have a hoes, but I got tired of it. Now my niggas like this, who you rockin' with, this who I'm rockin' with. Ain't no question, girl, what we got is such a blessing. All those old relationships was lessons, I swear this shit feels special. I finally got someone to lean on, all up in my feelings, but a nigga still a Cheeto. We don't worry about.
Yo, what's good, Deezy Nation? I miss you so much. Yes, I did. So, I mean, according to the video, I'm pretty sure you can guess what this video is about. I look so rough right now. Like, I hate wearing my hair like this, just because it shows my forehead. But I hope y'all remember, like, several videos ago where I was talking about my goal was moving and this, that, and the other. And honey child, the day is here. I need to start wearing my retainer. But the day is here, hunty. We just picked up the U-Haul and everything. I am so blessed and highly favored. Like, all this goes to God. Like, without him, like, it sounds so cliche, but literally without God and his strength and his power and his guidance, there's no way I would have got this possible. So right now I just left the U-Haul place. I'm in my truck, but my dad is driving the U-Haul. We're on our way back to my house. I am so proud of myself. Like, I am so proud of myself. I feel like this is a big step, a big accomplishment for anybody. Getting their own place. Like, I've been living at home since I was living at home. Shoot, I'm 24. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible. I got a lot of ripping and running to do. So, yes. I miss you guys so much. I haven't recorded a video in like a month and a half, 2 months. I have a lot to update you guys on. A lot more new videos. Stay tuned, my babies. Mwah. Yes, you guys. Girl, back in his house. I am so happy. Look at this. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all. Like, this ain't no game, honey. Honey, this ain't no game. Honey, this ain't no game. All right, room. This is farewell. No, shed so many tears in this room. Cried, laughed, smiled, frowned. But we're on to bigger and better things now. For a dramatic effect. All right, y'all, everything is packed. Like, they literally loaded everything within like 30 minutes. So I'm about to go sign the lease or whatever. Yeah, I'm about to go sign the lease, pick up the keys. Oh my God, my bun is literally going crazy. I hate my hair like this. And I guess the next stop will be my apartment. Beep, 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 beep. Yes, sir. Probably should empty that out. Is that heavy? You got it? All right, you guys. I just, my hair is so I just picked up the mattress. I'm so hot. I'm so tired. I'm cramping. Let me turn this down. And my best friend and stuff from Value City will be here in about 20 minutes. After that, all I'm waiting for is Comcast. I can't wait for you guys to see my place. It's a complete different layout from when I viewed it the first several times. But I'm happy. The U-Haul is empty. My bed is there. My father and I were getting ready to drop the U-Haul back off. And after that, going back to my place. You understand me what I just say? My place. When I did that Walmart vlog, Walmart at night, y'all remember that, right? I said I'm gonna need this for what? My place. All right, y'all. I just dropped my dad off, and I'm on my way back to my place. Period. Deezy Nation. I ain't gotta do my hair. Look at the contour right there. Let's get some light up in here. Let's get some light up in here. Look, I gotta wash my face. Yes, honey. Whoa. Oh my God. That really just made me so dizzy. Let's see here. Let's see here. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just about to give y'all like a little quick little tour or whatever. So today is official. I am in here in my own apartment, period. Hunty. You understand me? And so let me just get right to it. The door where I come in at, obviously, you know what I'm saying? Got the lock or whatever. Then we got the buzz, listen, talk. We got the lights here. Turn them off. Hold on. Hold on. My light ain't come on. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't do that. So let me see. I'll turn off the light. There we go. There we go. So this is like my kitchen area right here. Disregard those boxes. This would be my dining room table would be at. This is my kitchen. Okay, we got a dishwasher there. Won't be using that. Sink. Yes, it does run. Okay, we got a freezer, refrigerator, counter cabinets, and then we got a stove, then we got an oven. Then over here, where you see all this junk and all my trash at, this is the living room. Yes, it is. And then if you want to bust a right over here, then we have a little den. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to put in this den. I think this is just going to be my YouTube recording area. And then we got a window over here, right? Those are my neighbors over there. Then we got a window right here. Now, I believe I'm gonna set the couch right there and a couch right here. And then we're gonna have the TV right here, right? I see spots all on the wall, you'll see that. Okay. Anyway, then we have a little pantry closet right here. You know what I'm saying? That's where all my snacks and stuff go. Then if you walk down my hallway, we have a hall closet. Speaking of that, I'm gonna have to buy hangers because how else am I gonna hang my stuff? Right? I should put a mirror right here. Pictures would be bomb. Then when we bust a left, bow. You have me. You have me and this gorgeous mirror. I am just so hit right now. Look at my face. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to wash my hair. But look. I am breaking out. That's crazy. I haven't had a breakout in a minute. But anyway, I thought that was a bug. But this is my mirror. There's my lamps. Here are my little accessories. Okay, you know, I have get my little Dixie cup. Okay. Here's my sink. Yes, it runs. Then when we walk over here, here's my toilet. Here's my shower and my tub. Then I got a mirror right here. I love it. Towel rack door. Should have put a mirror right here, but I'm not gonna need extra. Turn off the lights because I got bills to pay. Okay. Then we go across the hall and we have my bedroom. Look, I just put this rug here. Look at this, very soft and silky. I got this from Burlington. Right here is gonna be a dresser that I bought from Ikea. I was about to put it up, but then I'm like, oh no, I don't have time for that. And here's my bed, my queen bed that I upgraded to, honey. Bought my little headboard, and here's the nightstand I literally just put together, and I'm super tired. Yes, this is my nightstand. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna put in there, because not only that, I have these drawers right here. Oh gosh. I have these drawers right here on both sides. Let's walk. Both sides. Okay. So that's that. Let's go right here. Too bad. It's a walk-in closet, darling. Walk-in. Period. Look. All of this space. That means I gotta go shopping. Okay. Okay. And boom. There you have it. There you have it. I might end up buying a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. But I'm literally returning everything. But that's just a little tour, you guys. Like, I'm in the process of decorating everything. So, I got a hallway light. Didn't know that. But yeah, I'm in the process of decorating and buying stuff. So you guys just gonna have to bear with me. Okay. So, yes, Deezy Nation, be prepared. I got hair videos coming. I got Talk with Deezy coming. I have an apartment tour coming. Okay? Y'all stay tuned. Your girl Deezy loves you. And I'm back. And I'm better. Toodles.